Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have an Asus Vivobook 15 model here. The exact model for this one is an X512j model. That information can be found on the bottom cover of the laptop if you flip it over. And in this video I'm gonna go over how you can open it up, how you can remove or replace your battery for this model. This applies for any Vivobook 15 series laptop. It's really easy and fast and forward, so it's very easy to do this process. The tools that you're gonna need is a screwdriver set. As always, I recommend you guys to grab the UFIXTEK screwdriver set, as they have one of the best bits out there. These are S2 class steel. They will last you many years. You're gonna be using a Phillips #1, and if you get a Pro set, you'll get some opening tools, tweezers, and some other extra tools. But now to get the simple set, and for the opening tool, I'll be using a guitar pick. Metallic guitar picks are really suitable to opening cases and covers. And soft edges round, you'll prevent it from scratching the cases. Alright, with these two on hand, we're going to proceed with removing of the battery. Power off the laptop, flip it upside down, and on the bottom you're going to see a whole bunch of screws. Don't worry, there's only 3 types of screws here. One single long screws and medium screws, and then short ones. The short screws are the one in the front end of the laptop. If you have the front end towards yourself, top left corner is the only single long screw by 1 millimeter extra long. So you want to grab this extra long screw, put it in one corner, and remove the short screws in the front end of the laptop, and the medium is the mid to the side and to the next right top side. Go ahead and remove this and keep them in a separate pile. Also, if you guys like my videos, if my videos are helping you guys out to your own upgrade, repairs, cleaning, and servicing, you can support the channel by clicking that like and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it, and it will be a great motivation for me to make more videos, take requests, answer your questions in the comment area. I really appreciate that. Alright. Now that we remove the screws, so we have the long screws, the medium, and the short ones. With these two on hand, we're gonna remove the cover next. You wanna grab your opening tool, in this case a guitar pick. You wanna stick it on between the bottom and the palm rest cover right here, and you wanna twist it, and you wanna hear a big click. That's the one that you wanna hear. Those are the clips that are getting loose. You wanna work yourself all the way to the front corner. And you want to do the same thing on the front side of the laptop, right there. Do that all the way to the top next side, and do the left and right side. You do not need to do the back ends, as long as you do the front and sides. Once you did those, now what you want to do, there's a clip in the middle, but once you lift it up, it will lose themselves. Just pull up here, slowly wiggle around, keep pulling it up, and it will release the back end. And there's a bottom case right there. Now, you want to realize the battery is right in front of you, right over here. The battery is being held down by one screw right here, and few screw and a bracket right over here. First, we're going to remove this bracket. There's 2 chrome screws and 1 black screw right in here. Go ahead and remove these screws. Remember the position of the bracket. There we have it. And now pick up the bracket straight up and put it to one side. Now I realized that when they assemble this one, there's a 2-way they assemble with the cables going over this flex cable, and there's a few ones that I seen that this cable going under this flex cable. Let's pretend that this cable is under this flex cable. So what you're gonna do in that situation? In that situation, all you need to do is to lift up this black cover here, lift it up 90 degrees, just like that, simple, don't force it. And you want to pull out this flex cable, just slide it out. And if you had your cables on the other side, let me grab a tweezer. If the cables were underneath, all you need to do is disconnect this one and lift up the cables, or just leave it like that for a second, and then we're going to put this one back in. To remove the cable for the battery, you don't want to use a metal tweezers. You want to grab yourself a plastic object or plastic guitar pick. You want to push this metal cover back about 1 millimeter or less, until it just clears the white cover. Next, what you want to do, you want to place it right under the cables, right there, and then you just want to push it upward, and it will just pop open this one. Once you push it up, bring it up, so this flex cable can go underneath. Now we can lift up the lock 90 degrees and place the flex cable right underneath and slide it all the way in, and then lock it down. Now next time you want to put it back in together, just put this cable on over, don't put it under. Now we're going to remove the single screw right at the bottom, right over here. Remove this black tiny screw. Now you're going to, there's a Wi-Fi cable going all around, zigzagging right here. You can untangle this Wi-Fi cable. Just untangle it. If you disconnect it, just pull it out. You just push down, so you can disconnect those and untangle this one, bring it to one side, and then lift up the battery. There's actually speaker cables goes underneath. It's been tangled down there. So bring it up. In this position, you can go ahead and untangle the speaker cable too and remove the battery. The information for the battery is on the other side of the battery. This is 1 cell, 2 and 3 cell batteries. Probably they have it configured as 2 cell. No, it is actually 2 cell. There's a board right in the middle. The model for this one, it says model C21N1818-1. I'll try to find the model, exact model. I'll try to get the link and I'll put it in my video description. So if you guys want to purchase, let's say that you got the new battery in. What you want to do first is tangle down the speaker cable right here, just zigzagging it all around. Goes under, comes on top, and there we have it. Now you want to assign it, put the screw holes right there, and this clip has to go right underneath. Make sure the hooks go right under those clips. Bring it to this side, pull it down, zigzag down the Wi-Fi cable right there. And snap down, align it right on top and just push it down. There we go. Just has to do a tiny click. Once you got those, now what you want to do, make sure the lock for the jack is back, pushed back. Align it straight over the jack and then push it towards the motherboard, and then bring the jack, the hook right over, the metallic hook, so it will prevent it from popping out. Once you have it like that, you want to grab the single screw that you remove on the bottom of the battery, place it on, grab the metallic bracket, put it straight over, put the chrome screw to one side right here, and put the short black screw right towards the motherboard, and the last one is the chrome screw right here. Just remember, once you do this service and you remove the battery, you put the battery back in. When you power on, it might take up to 10 or 15 seconds for the screen to show anything. So don't panic, just wait 5 to 10 seconds. And one last thing down here will be to grab the cover and just put it straight on top. Push the corners, the front end, and there's a hook in the middle, so push one right here gently. Back corner, back mid, and you want to open it up. And if you see a gap openings like this and you just want to pinch them together, pinch this side. Make sure you hit those clicks towards the back end. And once you finish with all those, remember the long screw goes top left, and the medium screw goes to the mid and next corner in the back here. And the short ones goes in the front end of the laptop. I'm just going to power this one on so you guys can see how long it's going to take before the screen shows. So I'm going to press 1, 2, there we go. So let's wait a few seconds. It might take up to 10 seconds probably. So I'm not going to fast forward so you guys get an idea how long it takes for it to boot. And it will do this only once. It won't do it every time you power on. Because there is no CMOS battery in here. There's only one internal battery, and the BIOS, it uses the internal battery to keep itself alive. It's taking like 10-15 seconds. There we go, we got the screen, and now it's gonna start loading up the Asus. These panels are really low quality panel. These are like a 50 Hz or 60 Hz. My 60 FPS camera is picking up the refresh rate. With your naked eye, you won't be able to see this, whatever you call this thing, flickering. Alright, I'm gonna power off and I'm gonna place the rest of the screws. I hope you guys liked this video and helped you guys out. If it did, please click the like and subscribe to support the channel. And if you have any question or requests, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Just gonna finish up putting up the bottom screws.